to get me right here. He's protecting his babies. Got a little Oreo. I think it's a black and orange bird. An Oreo. Right? Yep. Same little spark colors. Anyway, you know what? He's trying to dive by me. I think you got babies around here, don't you? I respect you, man. God bless you. Uh-oh. Here he comes. Alright, I got it. I got the message, my friend. Good job. You're a good family man. I'm trying to learn to be that way, to protect my family also. I'm not going to touch them, I promise. I'm not going to touch your babies, I swear. Yeah, here you go. Man, you're territorial, aren't you, my friend? If birds are territorial over babies, what do you think human parents are like? It's alright, buddy. I'm out of here. God bless you, my friend.